These are the directions for the Yellow Belt practice page. Begin by writing your name at the top, if you haven't already done so. For exercise 1, we need to write the letter names of the notes and then copy the notes to the next measures. First, for our first note, line note, every good G. Every good boy deserves football. Face in the space, F, A. Every good boy, B. So we have our letters. Complete that with the second measure labeling. The next thing we're going to do is copy. So this first measure is copied to this measure. The second measure is copied over here. My first note is G. 1, 2, every good G. Draw a circle, fill it in for the quarter note, and then draw a stem. You can label my G underneath. And so you're going to complete that for measure 1 and measure 2. Example 2, exercise 2. Write the letter name, copy the notes. Exact same process. Label your letters for each of the notes, and then copy those notes over to measure 3 and measure 4. For exercise number 3, we will be working on that in class. Go down to your compose your own song. We are going to compose your own song using the notes G, A, or B. Those pitches can be found on your first exercise, second line up, second space up, or third line up. So our notes are up at the top, right here, for our composing at the bottom. We are going to compose with G, A, and B using quarter notes, which equals 1 beat of sound, and half notes, which equal 2 beats of sound. Our time signature, please write in 4 time, which means we need to add up to 4 beats. If I take quarter notes, I need to add 4 of them together to equal 4 beats of sound. Remember, quarter notes are filled in, solid. Half notes have a hollow space in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4. That will fill a measure. How many half notes would it take? If you said 2, you are correct. 1, 2 half notes to make a full measure. You can also combine half notes and quarter notes. So 1 half note, there's 2. So I need 2 more beats to equal 4. Fill in my quarter note, fill in my quarter note. Or I could reverse the order. Quarter note, half note. Now, I can pick one of these for my first measure. I'm going to pick half note, quarter note, and I can use B, A, or G. I'm going to start with A. Face, F-A, F-A. Make a circle on the A space. I'm going to leave it hollow and add a stem. There's my A. I need 2 more quarter notes. I'm going to go B, then G. E, G, B. Draw a circle. For a quarter note, I fill it in and draw my stem. How many beats do I have so far? If you said 3, you were correct. If we have G, I need to add 1 more quarter note right here. So that's my first example. 1, 2, 3, 4 beats of sound. You need to complete the following measures as well. I'm going to label mine to help me remember the note names as I go to play. These are the directions for Yellow Belt practice page.